So doing AUD yen and CAD yen. On AUD yen, we have a market that's come up. It's been building on top of here. We are on the front side of that move up until the point where it broke over here. So we came strongly down and we came up into the counter trend line. It was a bullish trend, now acting as a counter trend line, and it's been resisted around there ever since. And we've come up to test it, pulling away very nicely in a strong move, and we're going to be targeting the lows for a continuation to the downside. Now, what's going to happen is breakout traders will be enthused by a move below. So we could see a scenario where we come lower to come up and then down. So monitor for that scenario. But if we break the highs, then the thesis is that we continue higher for fresh cycle highs towards over here, or thereabouts. And then if we come down to the hourly chart, we have a M formation, a move up to come down could be the scenario. Resistance, resistance, resistance over here. We're already starting to see, we've got, how long have we got? We've got 5 minutes to the close of that hourly candle. So what we could be doing is looking for an opportunity to buy the market. Depends on how that sets up, but on the 15-minute chart, we're going to be breaking the old resistance line. So we're on the backside of that move. So the thesis now is that we're going to be coming up to come down maybe. So we're looking for the market to give us an entry. So we've got resistance there or thereabouts. The market could come lower to come up. So on the lower time frames, you'd be looking for an area of where this has started to move up. But what we probably want to see is a break of over here. We've got some wicks that have gone through it, but it's not really giving us confirmation that we're indeed about to move up. So what you're looking for is a break of that 5-minute structure, closes above, and then prospects of a move lower to come up. And in that regard, price could potentially play out as follows. So come up, a break of structure, and move back in to clear out the imbalances. You might have some stops below here, could be an entry point to come up. You stop below the lows. And then on CAD yen, it's going to be a similar scenario. So we've got the 5-minute trend line that's coming under pressure. We're looking for a break of structure here and here, depending on your viewpoint. But right, CAD yen. I don't know where I got to. I paused the video, so we'll just go back to the daily chart. We've come down towards support. We're looking for the signs that the market is decelerating in that respect. Is it? Not currently. So this has potential to continue lower, but eventually we'll be looking for the market to correct the bearish impulse on the daily chart. So on a lower time frame, we'll be looking for this trend line resistance to break. But at the moment, this is just a one-way street. We have got, okay, so this candle here has shown signs of deceleration, but it could easily be filled in on the lower time frames. It's just worth monitoring. We're looking for a bullish close. If we get a bullish close on the next hourly candle, then the thesis will be higher towards the trendline resistance. If we fill this candle, then again we'll just have to monitor to see whether this is decelerating or if the market wants to continue lower.